Paging Aitken Robertson to courtroom number 2. The jury is back with a verdict. Members of the jury, how do you find the accused? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty on all accounts, Your Honor.
Welcome back to another episode of Legally Speaking, your weekly guide to navigating the intricacies of the law, proudly brought to you by Aitken Robertson Criminal Law. I'm Melanie van Orde, your host, and today we are tackling a topic that is relevant for novice drivers, the challenges they face when dealing with Highway Traffic Act charges. Joining me is Aitken Robertson's licensed paralegal, Bailey Hallett. Bailey, will you explain to our viewers what is a novice driver?
Yeah, so a novice driver is a young or a new driver that is seeking to obtain their license, and they're currently going through the Ontario's licensing system, and they currently hold a G1, M1, G2, or M2 license. So novice drivers typically have additional restrictions that they must abide by. So for example, G1 drivers must be accompanied by a fully licensed driver, at least 4 years in the passenger seat. They must not drive on any 400 series highways, and G2 drivers must have a blood alcohol level of 0, and each person in the vehicle must have a working seatbelt. So those are just some examples of additional restrictions that novice drivers face compared to fully licensed drivers.
And then what are the differences between a novice and a fully licensed driver?
Yeah, so novice drivers receive escalating sanctions upon any conviction of Highway Traffic Act charges. So if any of the following have occurred within a 5-year period, convictions for Highway Traffic Act offenses that carry 4 or more demerit points, conviction of any novice driver's restrictions, or a court-ordered license suspension for Highway Traffic Act convictions that otherwise would have resulted in 4 or more demerit points, they'll face additional sanctions. So for first offenses, their license would be suspended for 30 days. Second offenses would result in a 90-day license suspension, and a third offense would result in them losing their license.
Bailey, thank you so much for joining us, and thank everyone else for joining us today on the Aitken Robertson YouTube channel in our discussion about novice drivers. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged. Take care. Thank you for tuning in to Legally Speaking, proudly brought to you by Aitken Robertson Criminal Defence. We represent clients facing criminal charges all over Ontario, providing you with legal support and dedicated advocacy. If you enjoyed this episode and want to see more content, please like and subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website. We also offer free books on various types of criminal charges, which you can request on our website or by using the QR codes on your screen now. For legal assistance, call us today or visit our website to request a meeting with one of our experienced lawyers or licensed paralegals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Legally Speaking.